pinwheel, paper origami. Children, do you play with pinwheel? Let's learn how to make a pinwheel. Take a square card sheet. Cut the paper as shown along the dotted lines. Fold the alternate corners to center and fasten with a pin. The pinwheel can be attached to a broomstick by pushing a pin. It really works well if you add a bead for spacing from backside. Your pinwheel is ready.